Hello guys, today I will be showing how to convert a battery powered device to an electrical powered device. So let's get started. There are only a few type of devices that you can convert from battery powered to electrical powered so that you can use that device to its full usage, or you could use a rechargeable battery. Here I have a battery powered massager which I am going to convert into electrical powered. All you need is a phone charger's cable and a soldering iron. Before connecting the cable, just make sure that it is working. Here I am opening the device. Before opening your device, I suggest that you look in Google or YouTube on how to open your device so that you can open your device without damaging it. After opening, just connect the wire to the positive and the negative terminal of the device where the battery's positive and negative terminal are supposed to be. Before connecting, just make a small hole in the device so that you can pass the wire through it, and it would be a little easier to use. By doing this, you can use it as both as electrical as well as battery powered device. Soldering the wires together. Now after soldering, you can use a glue stick to seal the holes so that the wire do not move while using the device. And there you have a battery powered device converted into an electrical powered device. You can use this device as a battery powered. Also has a power bank. And also has an electrical power. The only thing you have to be careful is that while connecting the device, just make sure that you connect the device to a low power output source like this adapter that I am showing, which has a 5 volt and 1 ampere, so 5 watt power. Here I am showing a face massager that I converted. You can also use this with an adapter, battery and also a power bank. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe. See you guys on the next video. Bye.